For this breathing exercise, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a balloon, and you're going to need a step or a box. You can use a step at your house, which is 8 inches. This is 12 inches. Something where you are able to get into this position. This is going to be the position for our exercise. The balloon is going to help you, two things. It's going to help you get a sense of your diaphragm and airflow. It's also going to help you get a sense of your breathing muscles, specifically the ones for exhalation, which are the transverse abdominis that goes this way, and your internal obliques that go this way, which are both attached to the bottom of your rib cage. So it helps to squish the ribs to push the air out. After your first breath, you'll do about 3 or 4. After your first breath into the balloon, you'll get a really good sense of those muscles and how that's pushing the air out. Go ahead and keep those turned on as you inhale. So that's first challenge, is keeping the transverse abdominis and the internal oblique, those exhalation muscles, tightened while you breathe in through your nose in the balloon. And the second thing that we really want to focus on is expanding the back of the rib cage. If we need to get air in, we're going to get air in no matter what. And sometimes that means lifting our shoulders. Sometimes it means pushing our belly out. But our rib cage is really designed to expand in 3 dimensions. So we can focus on opening up the stiffness in our backs if we have gotten stiff from too much sitting or things like that, or we're just not aware that we can do that. We can open that up. A good precursor exercise to this would be the cat-cow, where you're on all fours pushing this direction, this direction. When I push out this direction, that's kind of the position I'm going to be in as I'm breathing. But I'm going to be down in that position, and I'm going to be directing my air back into the rib cage. I'm going to block the ability to really push with my belly. You'll start to feel increased pressure on your legs from your belly as your belly wants to expand to bring air in. So consciously bringing air in and rounding the back, you'll be able to see a slight change in what my back looks like as I pull air in. At the end of the video, I will also show you what it looks like when I lift my shoulders to breathe and what it looks like when I don't expand my back. It's very little, but I'll show you that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first get into position. I'm gonna draw air in. I'm gonna pause at the top. You're gonna see my back expand. And then I'm going to exhale into the balloon and start blowing this balloon up. I'm gonna pause at the bottom before I inhale again. And then I'm gonna inhale, you should see my back expand, and then I'm gonna blow air back into the balloon again. So here we go, my starting position. I'm just gonna anchor my hand underneath my foot so that I don't come up when I'm breathing. I wanna be right over my lap, and I have my balloon, and I'm gonna take a nice deep breath into my back, the back of my rib cage. Okay, funnest part of this exercise. So now I'm gonna just demonstrate without the balloon what it looks like if I use my shoulders or if I try to expand through my belly too much. So if I'm in this position and I take a deep breath and I'm not using my back and I feel like I need to use my neck or my shoulders, I'm gonna feel tension through here, and it'll look like this. And the same thing, if I use my belly, it's more subtle, but I'm gonna not direct air into my rib cage, but I'm gonna push into my belly, into my legs. And in that one, what I feel more than see is I feel my belly expanding and the pressure between these two get more. And then that changes when I breathe out into the balloon. So you will ideally do 4 sets of 3 to 5 breaths into the balloon at least once a day, till you can start to really get good at this exercise and feel like your rib cage is expanding.